You know what's crazy? Most people spend their whole life waiting. Waiting for the right time. Waiting for motivation. Waiting for someone to come and change everything for them. But here's the truth that no one wants to hear. No one is coming. No one is going to save you. Because only you can change your life. Let that sink in. Not your parents. Not your friends. Not luck. Not destiny. Just you. Every dream you've ever had. Every goal you've ever written. It's waiting for you to finally say, enough is enough. Waiting for you to stop making excuses, to stop waiting for the perfect moment, and to start creating your own path. Because the truth is simple. The person you've been waiting for has been here all along. It's you. Section 1. The harsh truth about waiting. Most people spend their entire lives waiting. Waiting for the right mood, the right chance, the right miracle. But here's the harsh truth. The right time never comes. No one's ever going to knock on your door and say, "Hey, I've decided to make your dreams come true today." Life doesn't work that way. Life rewards action, not intention. You can want change. You can wish for success. But unless you move, nothing moves. You want to be fit? Start walking today. You want to start a business? Stop overthinking and take that first small step. You want confidence? Stop scrolling, start speaking. Transformation doesn't come from waiting. It comes from doing. Even when no one notices, even when no one claps. Section 2. Why you must take responsibility. If your life isn't where you want it to be, it's time to stop blaming the world. Because the moment you say, "It's my fault," you also admit, "It's in my control." Taking responsibility isn't about guilt, it's about power. It's saying, "Yes, I made mistakes. Yes, I wasted time. Yes, I doubted myself. But also, yes, I can rebuild. Yes, I can rise. Yes, I can win." The day you stop saying, "It's because of them," and start saying, "It's because of me," that's the day your life begins to change. No one becomes great by accident. Every legend you admire took control of their own story. Section 3. Your power lies in choices. Every single day gives you hundreds of choices. To wake up early or hit snooze. To scroll or study. To complain or create. To wait or work. Those tiny choices shape your destiny far more than any big decision. Change doesn't happen in one night. It's built in the silence of daily discipline. You may not see progress in a week, maybe not even in a month, but one day you'll look back and realize you've changed because you decided to. Section 4. The comfort zone trap. The most dangerous place in the world isn't a battlefield. It's your comfort zone. It feels safe, predictable, easy. But it's also the place where dreams go to die. Comfort kills growth. If you keep choosing what's easy, your life will stay hard. But if you choose what's hard, life eventually becomes easier. Every success story began with someone who stepped into discomfort. They faced rejection, embarrassment, loneliness, and still went on. Because they knew, comfort never creates change. The pain of discipline lasts a moment. The pain of regret lasts a lifetime. So ask yourself, do you want easy now or proud later? Section 5. Stop blaming, start building. Yes, maybe you've had a tough past. Maybe people laughed at you, doubted you, hurt you. Maybe life hasn't been fair, but you still have a choice. You can keep saying, "I couldn't become who I wanted because of them." Or you can rise and say, "They tried to break me, but I built myself anyway." Great people don't come from comfort, they come from chaos. They didn't wait for the world to treat them better. They created their own opportunity. So stop waiting for someone to choose you. Choose yourself. Section 6. The mindset shift. Here's the mindset that changes everything. Stop saying, "I'll try." Start saying, "I'll do it." Stop saying, "I hope." Start saying, "I will." The moment you switch from hope to commitment, your entire life begins to align. Your mind will fight you. It will whisper, "It's too late. You're too old. You're not enough." Ignore it. Your brain wants safety. But your soul? It wants growth. You don't need confidence to start. You gain confidence by starting. Section 7. Your future self is waiting. Imagine your future self, stronger, wiser, successful. What would they say to you right now? They'd say, "Stop wasting time. Stop playing small. I'm waiting for you." That version of you already exists. You just have to grow into them. Every time you pick discipline over distraction, you get closer. Every time you say no to negativity, you get closer. Every time you say yes to growth, you get closer. Change isn't a single big moment. It's a series of quiet decisions no one sees. Section 8. The pain of change versus the pain of staying the same. Change hurts. It's uncomfortable, uncertain, even lonely. But staying the same? That's worse. Waking up every day knowing you could be more, that's pain. Watching your dreams fade because you were afraid, that's pain. Regret is a slow poison. So pick your pain wisely. The pain of effort or the pain of regret. One makes you stronger, the other breaks you forever. Section 9. Start small, but start now. You don't need to change everything overnight. Just start small, but start. Wake up earlier. Read one page. Drink more water. Work out for 10 minutes. Be kind to yourself. That's how transformation begins, with small, consistent acts. Don't wait to feel ready. Start, and readiness will follow. Once you start, you build momentum. And momentum is what carries you when motivation fades. Section 10. The truth about motivation. Motivation comes and goes. Some days you'll feel powerful, other days you'll feel empty. But remember this, discipline beats motivation. Motivation starts the fire. Discipline keeps it burning when the nights get cold. You don't need to feel inspired. You just need to show up. Every time you show up despite fear, you strengthen your self-belief. And that belief is the foundation of transformation. Section 11. Believe you deserve better. You'll never change your life until you believe you deserve a better one. Stop settling for less. Stop calling unhappiness normal. Stop convincing yourself that this is just how it is. No, your life reflects what you believe you deserve. So raise your standards. Respect yourself. Surround yourself with people who remind you of your worth. When you finally believe you deserve better, you'll stop accepting anything less. Section 12. The power of persistence. Change isn't linear. You'll stumble, fall, and want to quit. But persistence, that's your superpower. The winners aren't the most talented. They're the ones who don't give up. Keep showing up, even when it's slow, even when no one's clapping. Consistency beats perfection every time. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to keep going. So, let me remind you once more. Only you can change your life. You are the author of your story. You can rewrite it anytime you choose. You can rise from anything, rebuild from nothing, and start again, stronger. You are not stuck. You're just scared. But courage isn't the absence of fear, it's moving forward despite it. So today, promise yourself. No more waiting. No more blaming. No more doubting. This is your life. Your time. Your chance. And if not now, when? The world owes you nothing. But you owe yourself everything. So get up, show up, and take that first step. Because your best life is waiting. And only you can make it happen. If this message spoke to you, share it, comment below, and remind someone else. They have the power to change too. Until next time, keep believing, keep growing. And remember, your future is built by the actions you take today.